we will see the effect of morph. Have you seen, see, this kind of an effect we will be adding in our slide where smooth transitions are going on. So how to do this? So let's in this first we have to take I will just take a simple slide, and then what we will do, we will go into the insert, take a shape of a square shape, and just we will do one shape score. We can actually increase that if we want to, and then just with the control and left key you can just copy. I will just copy for three slides only. I will not go for 4 or 5. So what we will do now in this, just color as you require. I will just take a bright color somewhat so that it's become a very attractive point of view, like or we can say just take here yellow color, and then here we will take the green color. So sorry, this is green color. So it can be like in the presentation, if you want to show what are lagging factors, what are like on the par, and which are completed kind of things that we can actually add into this presentation kind of thing. Now here what we have to do, we have to take some kind of a picture or something, whatever you want to do. Here we can actually even add like one simple what we can say, we will add just a simple text here like key performance indicators and we will just take an image of indicators. We will take right now key performance indicators here, and then let's add a picture here. So what we will do, we will go onto our Safari and we'll just take a KPI. I will just take KPI, some kind of, like I want to add this image for example. We'll copy the image and just go in here and just format shape, into the format shape field, texture field, and you can just change the clipboard. So this is the indicators are now your, I can actually delete this, it's not required also than this. So and this is where our box will look like. To some extent we will do this, we will increase this size. And then we can actually change this. And we can increase. Okay, now what we will do, we will also add here some text. I will add for time being. You can actually use whatever text you want to show. I will just add one indicator, and then indicator 2, indicator 1, and just copy and paste indicator, sorry, three. So now what will be, we will just align this all three. Just go into the align and distribute horizontally. So this done. Now just add, if you want to add one more here, we can just add matrix. Same thing, we'll do matrix first, second, third, just copy this right now. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just select this all, and this we have to group. Then again, what we have to do, we have to send it backwards. Now these steps are done. Now just copy this slide for 2 times more. We'll do that, and then in this just sorry, I think there is one issue. This is not grouped with this. Yeah, so I need to group this also. Okay, group, and now group it. Group, now send it backwards, and then now do that command D. In this slide, now we can do that, just do one thing. Now shift this to this part, and in the next slide we will shift this to this. These 2-3 things are done. Now what we can do, we can just select all these 3 slides, go into the transition and morph. So now if we just see our presentation form, this is a very smooth and easy transitions that are going on into a slide, and you will be able to present it. Hope you like it. Thank you.